Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the video clip you want to score. Tap Audio, then select Sounds or your sounds to browse built-in tracks or upload an MP3/M4A. Once done, preview the music to check tempo and mood. Make sure its length roughly matches the scene you're scoring. You should also mute original clip audio now if you prefer full music control. This prevents level clashes later when you add transitions and cuts. Next, drag the chosen music into the timeline under your video track and align its start to a visual cue or beat. Use split and trim to cut out unwanted sections and speed adjustments when you need short music to stretch or compress. This keeps audio natural. Once synced, apply fade in and fade out for smooth entries and exits, and use the volume envelope to duck music under dialogue. This gives clarity. If needed, layer ambient sounds for depth and balance. Finally, export your video with the recommended settings: 1080p at 30 or 60 fps and AAC audio at 128 to 320 kbps to preserve music quality. Before exporting, listen through for clipping or sync drift. If you hear glitches, try re-importing the music, clearing Capcut's cache, or setting the audio sample rate to 44. 1 kHz to match your file. Make sure to test the exported file on 2 devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.